Welcome back to another award-winning episode. For this repair, we purchased a Toro 150 PSI 1-inch jar top inline valve kit for about 20 bucks.
So last summer I had a sprinkler zone that was not working. You got to find the irrigation control box, and all these sprinkler heads over here were not popping up. So here's one of them, and we got some more down over here as well. So none of these were popping up. I haven't activated the sprinkler system yet this year, so I needed to replace this solenoid for this zone. And since the water is currently off already, it would be the easiest way to do it. So open this up. And I got 3 zones in this box. They're all nicely labeled. That solenoid needs to be replaced. So to do that, we have to disconnect the wiring here. And we will just cut these and put new wire nuts in here for the new solenoid. And this one just unscrews from here. It should be a pretty easy replacement, hopefully.
So what exactly is this solenoid? Simply put, when energized, it generates an electromagnetic field which lifts the valve, which in turn now allows the passage of water through the sprinkler system.
My 2 wires I'm going to connect to my new solenoid. The spring. I'm going to remove the diaphragm.
Typical malfunctions of these particular components include the valve seizing up or its seal leaking. Pretty understandable actually, being out in the elements. It also could be a power issue, or perhaps the internal coil simply burned out.
And we're going to remove this ring as well. So I'm going to take all these parts out of the new one and place it inside of this one. Ring really wants to stay in there. There we go. Slip this into the new one. Put the diaphragm in, the new one. Spring. And the new solenoid. Hand tighten this down. And I have some waterproof outdoor wire nuts. This one. Doesn't matter which one of these it goes to. Those together. And voila. Alright, we'll see if this zone now works. Oh, looks like it turned on. We got this one going. Starting up. This one's starting up. So I'd say the valve works. There's a little air in the line yet, so they're not up yet. So we get all the air out of the lines, these will pop right up. Let's just start and help them out. Heads up. And nothing's leaking. Looking good.
Which begs the question, what was wrong with that original solenoid valve?
The controller for the system, and we're going to measure between the common in zone 7 of the new one. And how many ohms do we have on this down there? 26 ohms. Okay, we have the old solenoid. We're going to measure the resistance. The solenoid has a resistance of, ooh, look at that, it kind of moves. Might have a, looks like we have a pinched wire here. That might be the issue. This wire here, look at that. See how it's jumping around? Shouldn't do that at all.
In our case, had we examined it earlier, we probably could have just repaired the wiring and saved a couple bucks. I hope this video helps you guys out, and thanks for watching.